This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Vohuk. V-O-H-U-K. Vohuk is the name of this ransomware. Keep in mind that my video is strictly for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So, before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data can be opened easily without troubles. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Vohuk ransomware may be easily injected. And this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Vohuk extension. Ransomware also changes the desktop background and it drops this README file mentioning the requirements by these developers for file decryption. They tell that users need to pay the ransom to recover their data, but we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. Don't ever pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that your files would be restored if you pay that ransom. Now, what I recommend you to do immediately is researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website, combocleaner.com. Go to this official website, download the software, install it, and then you need to wait until the program updates its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins researching your system. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add certain folders on your computer that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt the files. It helps you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further encryption by any other possible ransomware. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend upgrading to Premium as the best solution to protect your files in the future.